guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute and simple farmhouse or French country DIY. It is so simple. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You will need one of these little baskets. I picked this up at Walmart. It was $6.98, I believe. I know it was $6, and I think it was $6.98, $6.68, something like that. It's really pretty. It's in with their spring decor, at least in my Walmart it is. Then you're going to need some lettuce that I got at Hobby Lobby. I think these are gorgeous, and they are $6.99, but I used a 40% off coupon, okay? Then you're going to be needing some artichokes. I have two. I think 3 would be perfect, but I only picked up 2. And they are $4.99 a piece, okay? And then you'll just need some apples, just like this. Dollar Tree has really pretty apples. I didn't get these at the Dollar Tree. I picked these up at, I believe it was Hobby Lobby or Michael's, I really can't remember. And the lemon as well, and they came in a set. Like you could get, I think it was 6 apples and a bunch of lemons, and I don't remember how much they were, but I've broken them all apart, okay? So, and then you're just going to need some plastic bags. This is so simple. So let me go ahead and cut the tags off of everything, and we'll get started, and this will be gorgeous. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, like I said, this is so simple, but I loved this little basket when I saw it. It is so pretty, okay? So what you want to do is just get you some bags or whatever you want to put in the bottom to raise your lettuce and everything, okay? Then I'm just going to put my lettuce. I want it to look like I was in the garden picking lettuce and different types of things. This already is really pretty, okay? Then all you have to do is put an apple right here. And I really love these artichokes. I think they're gorgeous. But like I said, I only had 2 of them. And so I'm trying to add some different colors and textures in here. So I'm putting that apple down in there a little further because I want to kind of hide my bags, but if you wanted, you could put something else down in there and it would look really pretty, but I only have bags right now with me, okay? But you can see this looks like you were in the garden and you just picked some beautiful vegetables. It looks so pretty, okay? And if you wanted, you could always go ahead and put another artichoke in here if you wanted, like that, or you could put it over here. Don't want to see. And you just have to mess with your lettuce to where it doesn't, I mean, if you wanted, you could do that, because if you were picking artichokes in your garden and vegetables, you would just put them in there however. But this is gorgeous. It just looks like you were in a very lush garden and you picked lemons, artichokes, and lettuce, and some apples. Now, like I said, if you had another artichoke, you could just put artichokes in there, but I didn't have it. But this is such a simple, beautiful DIY. I mean, you just look like you're out in the French countryside or a farm, anywhere, and you just went out and picked some lusciousness. It makes me hungry. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.